Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, south central Nebraska, I should say, and northwestern Kansas. Cities in today's enhanced include Kearney, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, and Lexington, Nebraska. There's a slight tomorrow covering northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, most of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northern Missouri, and most of Iowa. The cities in tomorrow's slight include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. There's a marginal tomorrow covering southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, western Oklahoma, north central Texas, the eastern part of the Texas Panhandle, parts of Kansas, northwestern Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, parts of Missouri, most of Illinois, southwestern Michigan, all of Indiana, most of Ohio, most of Kentucky, and most of West Virginia. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Denver, Colorado, and Kansas City, Missouri. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses parts of southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The 5% tornado risk area does not include any major population center in the risk area, so yeah. So anyway, there's a 2% tornado risk area tomorrow covering northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, most of Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, and parts of Iowa. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Council Bluffs, Iowa, and West Des Moines, Iowa. And then for the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering south central Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The 30% wind risk tomorrow includes Kearney, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, and Lexington, Nebraska. There is a 15% chance of damage to wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, most of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northern Missouri, and much of Iowa. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. And there is a 5% wind risk tomorrow covering southeastern Wyoming, much of Colorado, north central Texas, the eastern part of the Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, northwest Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, parts of Missouri, southwestern Wisconsin, most of Illinois, southwestern Michigan, all of Indiana, most of Kentucky, most of Ohio, and parts of West Virginia. The 5% wind risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Denver, Colorado, and Kansas City, Missouri. Alright? Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index. Alright, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or stronger tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher tomorrow. Alright, for thunderstorms. Alright? I'm not saying it can't happen. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area either. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force wind gusts from thunderstorms will be within the black dashed area. Alright? So, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Alright? Again, can't run a hurricane force wind gusts outside the black dashed area, but the highest potential for the hurricane force gusts from thunderstorms will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Really? There we go. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Council Bluffs, Iowa, Bellevue, Nebraska, and Grand Island, Nebraska. And now for tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, and northwestern Kansas. The 30% hail risk area only includes one city in this area tomorrow, which includes Lexington, Nebraska. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That covers northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, most of Nebraska, South Dakota, parts of Iowa, and northwest Missouri. Tomorrow's 15% hail risk tomorrow includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. There is a 5% hail risk tomorrow covering southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, northeastern Texas, the eastern part of the Panhandle of Texas, western Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, northwest Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, most of Iowa, parts of Missouri, southwestern Wisconsin, most of Illinois, most of Indiana, southern Ohio, most of Kentucky, and parts of West Virginia. The 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, and St. Louis, Missouri. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright, again, the black dashed area has the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Okay? The cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and North Platte, Nebraska. So, in summary, severe storms capable of large to very large hail, wind damage, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes will be possible Saturday afternoon and evening across parts of the Central Plains. Scattered thunderstorms will also pose potential for strong to severe winds across the lower to mid-Missouri Valley. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in, alright? Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in, alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Meanwhile, stay safe tomorrow. Take care.